Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Roll20 on mobile. First, install the Roll20 mobile app. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for Roll20 and install it. On iOS, open the App Store, search for Roll20 and install. Alternatively, you can use a mobile browser like Chrome or Safari and go to the Roll20 website to play directly in your browser. Next, open the Roll20 app. Tap Sign Up if you don't have an account, or log in if you already do. If you are signing up, make sure to verify your email. To join an existing game, get the invite link from your Dungeon Master. Then tap Join Game and enter the code or link provided. To create your own game, tap Create New Game. Name your game and choose a game system, such as Dungeons and Dragon 5e. Then tap Create Game to start. Using the virtual tabletop is simple. Tap your character to open the character sheet and view your stats, spells, and abilities. For maps and tokens, pinch to zoom, drag to move tokens, and tap objects to interact. To roll dice, tap the dice icons or type commands like /roll1d20+3. You can also use the chat panel to communicate and share notes. For voice and video, tap the voice or video option in top menu to walk with other players. Make sure your microphone and camera permissions are enabled. In the settings for mobile, use landscape mode for better map visibility. Enable notifications for DM alerts or dice rolls. For smoother gameplay, close out the apps running in the background. Some tips for playing DnD on mobile. Use stylus or your finger to move tokens more precisely. Familiarize yourself with chat commands for dice rolls. Save your character sheet offline if possible, in case of network issues. Lastly, regularly check for app updates to get the latest features in 2026. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.